All right, guys, check it out. We got the lights installed. So I went ahead and got some more. But as you guys can see, is this not beautiful or what? So you can change the color. I like the greenish blue. Hello my friends, and welcome back to another review. So today we're showing you this flexible LED strip lights. So color changing LED lights. Let's open the box and show you what you get. So this is the power supply. You will need to plug this into a two-prong outlet. They do provide you with plenty of length to run, so that's a plus. You definitely need that. And then here you go. So you have the LED lights here, and you get two spools, two connectors. So both of these would connect to one box. And how you just connect them is, I like to have everything plugged in and then plug this in and make sure you have it in the right way. So sometimes you can plug it in, and if you set it up, run it, if you run it wherever you're going to run it and it doesn't turn on, chances are you just need to turn this upside down and put it in the other way, because it can go in right side up or upside down. So plug it in, test it first. So by plugging it in, you just connect it right in here, and then you go ahead and you connect it into the port. So if you plug it in and you guys can see the lights are turning on, then you know you have it in right. Now let's see if you do it reversed. Sometimes, yes, so if you do it reversed and the lights don't come on, that's because you have this upside down. So make sure you plug it in the correct way and the lights will come on and they will work. They do provide you with an instruction manual inside here, and you get a nice remote control. So this remote can control all the lights, and you have all these different colors. So you got red going to orange to yellow, green, all these beautiful, beautiful colors. You can turn it off and on. Just pull this out like that, and now you should be able to control it. As you guys see, turn it off, turn it on, and you have all these different modes that go with it. Tons of different modes, which we'll show you once it's installed. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this open and show you guys what this looks like. So these are just little LEDs on a strip, and on the back side, all you do is, so you peel the top layer off like this, and this is going to be very sticky. So wherever you're putting the lights, make sure that's where you want them, because it's going to be sticky, and you don't want to have to keep putting it on and pulling it off, putting it on, pulling it off, because eventually it will lose its grip. So, and that's it. You just peel off the top and you stick it wherever you want. All right, guys, let's go ahead and show you where we're going to run them and how it looks set up. All right, guys, check it out. We got the lights installed. So I went ahead and got some more. But as you guys can see, is this not beautiful or what? So you can change the color. I like the greenish blue. It's my favorite color. But this is awesome, guys. So we have no other lights on in our office, and I hooked the lights up to a switch. So watch this. Oh yes, my friends. So the lights are beautiful, they're bright, they work perfect. Absolutely love them. If you're wondering, I use polyfill for the cloud ceiling. Overall, absolutely stunning. So LED lights definitely get a plus for me.